It is the ligament itself tearing, and you can hear it across the field occasionally. I had a woman who actually was on Branson's team as a senior and was at one of the MCAL tournament. It was the MCAL finals, and she tore her ACL, and her parents were videotaping the game, and you could hear it on the videotape. So, yeah, you can. If there's an injury associated with a pop, 70% of those are ACL tears. 70% of ACL tears, people hear a pop. Other things that can pop, obviously, is your kneecap dislocates. However, if you just hear a pop when you're moving your knee up and down, or a click, and it doesn't hurt, it's nothing to